Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss how to get AI DJ on Spotify. For example, if you want to get AI DJ on Spotify, then how you can get that. So if you simply search for AI DJ here, as you can see, then there will be shown to you the playlist related to AI DJ. But if you want to simply get that feature, then what you have to do, the first of all, you have to simply subscribe to premium Spotify, as you can see, because it in this way you can simply use AI DJ Spotify. But if you have already subscribed to the premium version and if you are not still getting AI DJ on Spotify, then how you can fix that? So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply open the Play Store, and here what you have to do, you have to simply search for Spotify, and after that you have to check whether it is showing any kind of update or not, because AI DJ Spotify is only available only to latest version of the Spotify. And after that, what you have to do next, you have to simply click on app, and after that you have to simply click on force stop, and here you have to simply clear the cache of your app, and after that you have to restart your app again, and you have to again check whether you are getting AI DJ Spotify or not. If you are not still getting, then you have to wait for some times, because it may be available only to limited number of devices, so that you have to wait for some time to get that Spotify AI DJ. Hope you have liked this video. Can you subscribe our channel?